Trump just got done talking an hour and 30 minutes later. He said nothing about the war. So I am now going to wait for a break of these levels and a retest of these levels just because he said nothing about the war, nothing good, nothing bad. So prices are going to continue doing what they were doing before he started talking, which is going down. Price is extremely volatile right now, but I'm still confident in this trade. I ended up putting my entry point at this previous day value area low because, damn, look how close. It went literally 4 ticks away from my take profit. And I have my retainer in, so I probably sound decently stupid. But oil's still pushing, so I'm gonna let this trade ride. I'm either gonna lose 200 or make 300, I wanna say. Let's see right now. 312 or 200, either or. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am fighting these emotions crazy. I wanna close this trade so bad, but I'm not. I closed my trade, bro, and I'm low-key kind of irritated with myself. I'm not gonna lie. Price ended up going to my take profit that I would have had, but my emotions got me out of that trade. Same video, man. We got a trade set up that we like. I missed 1.5 trades on ES, and I missed one on here. I missed the rejection or the bounce off a previous week value area low, as you can tell right here. But nevertheless, we're waiting for price to come back to overnight value area high. And there's low volume nodes here, so I'm expecting price to have a rejection here. And even if it doesn't, there's a buildup of high volume nodes right here where my stop loss will be. I low-key don't want to lose no more than 200, so this is going to be where I have my stop loss at. I want to have it under the high volume nodes, but I don't want to risk no more. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put my entry right there. Yeah. So I'll be able to risk the same to make a little bit more. It's right under the value, the value. God damn, I can't do. It's right under the overnight value area high. So we will see if price wants to go back here because price is building up some volume above this level. So obviously there is acceptance above it. So I'm waiting for price to retest it and, give us a reaction. Okay, so here we go right here. Price is about 1 tick away from my entry. Boom. So we are now risking 200 to make 310. Price is about to stop me out in about 4 ticks. There we are. We lost 200 on that trade. I'm okay with losing that. I'm cool with losing it. I didn't want to, but that was a trade that we were supposed to lose. So we're going to keep searching around and get in another one if we can find one. This is what I was saying where I was like, damn, I want to work on my entries because my entry was either going to be this value area high where I had it at, where I got in at, or it was going to be here because there's a cluster of volume, and usually when there's a cluster of volume, price likes to hold that as support, but we lost. So we will look for another one. If we can't find another one, then oh well. My entry is what we're going to work on, but as you can tell, price went up and hit my take profit if I would have been in the trade, so my entry needs to be better. And that's what we're going to work on my entry. I'm cool with losing that trade because it's going to, teach me a little bit. I'm in the middle of eating my food, and I'm taking the same trade. This time it's going to be pretty much at overnight value area high. Price came back above it, retested it once. It just somewhat maybe retested it again. It did retest it again, and we'll see what type of reaction it has. I'm risking 200 to make 270, risking 26 to make 27. We will see what the outcome is. The trade is currently up 12 ticks, and I am 15. I am currently fighting my emotions because there are some high volume nodes that I have to hold through, but price is about 10 ticks away from my take profit. So if it goes to being, let's say, 1 tick away, I'm going to move my stop loss up to just a little bit higher. It is now 3 ticks away, and my take profit was just hit, man. I lost one, I won one, and that's how trading is supposed to go. Second stream to Wall Street. Rest in peace to Grandpa. Trade for your life, baby.